Well, yes, you can take portraits in landscape mode, and you can take landscapes in portrait mode. Yes, I agree. It's called versatility. For a couple of weekends, I had a chance to photograph some California wildflowers. Before I get into the how and why I did the video, first thing, let's take a look at my gear. Camera is a Sony a7R III, full frame sensor, and zoom lens. Tripod, Manfrotto, lever actuated. And for a couple special shots, I have my AK2000 gimbal. Now let's get right to the assignment.
Come to California for the flowers and wide range of photo subjects. You will find many areas like this for all your needs. Welcome.
So long for now.